Welcome back to Delph Stack. Today, we will fix ARC Raiders if it is not launching on your PC through Steam. First, we will check the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click ARC Raiders, and select Properties. I don't have the game installed right now, but the process is the same for any game on Steam. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. This often fixes problems that stop the game from starting. Next, we will fix the anti-cheat system. Go to the EasyAntiCheat folder in C Program Files x86. Open the EasyAntiCheat Notch EOS folder and run EasyAntiCheat Notch setup.exe. Choose Repair if it is available, or reinstall it completely. A broken anti-cheat setup can prevent the game from launching, so this step is important. Finally, we will clear the Steam cache. Close Steam completely. Then go to the Steam installation folder and find the app cache folder. Delete everything inside this folder. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that sometimes block games from starting. After this, open Steam again and try to launch ARC Raiders. These steps usually solve the issue quickly. Thanks for watching.